Hi, I'm Ian, your SD MLS specialist. Let's talk about the Market Monitor in Paragon. For mastery of this and all topics, please remember to play, pause, and practice. To start working with the Market Monitor, we simply need to log into Paragon. You will see your Market Monitor on your page. It may start here in the top right corner. You may have moved it to a different area where these other widget boxes currently reside on my screen. That's okay. Wherever your Market Monitor is, let's go to it now. When you find your Market Monitor, we'll notice that there are 4 tabs across the top. Let's start here with My Info. The My Info section, of course, is going to be related to your information. Information, in this case, new listings, active listings, listings in total, off-market listings, expired, pending, and so on. The Market section is going to give you similar fields, but these numbers are going to represent how many new listings have entered the market, how many expired listings there were this morning at midnight, how many price changes. There have been 515 price changes so far just today. Again, 285 sold, 226 pending listings, and 410 open houses just today within the market. Similarly, the office section will show you new, active, current listings, off market, and so on for your entire office. So this number, of course, should be a little higher than your My Info. We can see here that we have 7 active listings. However, in the office, there are 64. Now, Firm is similar to Office. Firm is a group of offices. This can be active for some people. For others that do not have a firm, you may see the same exact numbers that you notice here in Office. Because again, a firm is a group of offices. In this case, we can see that the number does go up to 72 for active listings. Again, so that would show us that this person works for an office that has more than one location. Similar fields will be seen again here with new and active and listings, pending, sold within the last 6 months, sold, tours, and open houses. Now, in addition to these fields that we see, you can set how many days back you would like to search. This box here can be set anywhere from 0, which would mean today, all the way up to 7 days back. Let's type in a new number. Putting in a number 1 would mean 1 day back. This would then include results from today and yesterday once we click on the refresh button. This would generally mean that the numbers in these boxes are going to increase because we're going to see new listings from not just today, but today and yesterday, as well as pending, sold, tours, and open houses. The Firm section may take a little longer, especially since it is searching through multiple offices in this case. Again, let's go to the Office section. And the Market. And My Info. When on this report, you can click on the number or the word next to the box. When doing so, we will get to that number of results. In this case, we're looking for the 7 new listings. And here they are on the page. Let's click the X to close this section. If we wanted to see what's been sold in the last 6 months, what I have sold in the last 6 months, well, look, it's right here. There are 10. Let's click on the 10 to see those results. And again, here we are. It's just that easy. Let's click the X here to close this tab. There is one other section to the Market Monitor to help limit the number of results that you'll see here. So this way you can look at the targeted area that you work in and not the entire market of San Diego County. Let's click here on the Edit Widget button. It looks like a blue gear icon. Let's click on it here. That's going to open up your customized Market Monitor. Here we can drill down and get more specific results. Currently, I am restricting my results to residential results. Let's click on the magnifying glass at the end of the class field to see our other options. If you work with 2 to 4 units or lot land, you may want to include these in your search results as well. Click anywhere on the line to add a check mark, and click again to remove the check mark, so we can add or subtract any fields you would like to add to this piece of criteria. So you can check and deselect Three, two, one. From the Customize Market Monitor box, we can see here that we are limiting our results to just residential properties. Let's click on the magnifying glass to see our other options. Here you can see all of the classes of properties. Should you want to include lot land into your Market Monitor, you can go ahead and select it. Click again to remove. Once you've settled on the options you'd like for this box, go ahead and click on the Save button to save your choices here. And let's move on to the next section. If you wish to limit by type or residential style, we'll click on the magnifying glass to reveal the options. Maybe you only care about single-family homes or detached properties. Let's go ahead and put a check mark in this box to select that option and click Save. Let's continue down. We'll see another option. Which section would you like to see when the Market Monitor first opens? I want to see my information because I want to know what's going on with my listings right away. Or let's go to the market. I want to know exactly what is new on the market as soon as Paragon opens up. Let's just get to it. Or maybe you're a broker and you want to know what's going on in your entire firm so you can have everything all in one place. Choose which is best for you. I'm going to leave it on my info for the time being. As I explained before, please choose the option that best suits your needs. Once that is selected, you'll have an opportunity to choose down here how many days back you would like to go. You can start with a 0 and go up to 7. And this again is just for your default. You are able to type in up to 30 days if you wish to look up to 30 days back in your Market Monitor. For searching beyond 30 days, we'll go into hot sheet searches in another training video. But for now, let's click Save to see how our numbers have changed. Now, we haven't seen much change at this point, but we will notice in the market. Now that we are looking 7 days back, we'll see this number is much, much higher because this is now going to represent 2,174 new listings in the last 7 days in San Diego County that have been detached. You can really make this as specific as you like. Feel free to go to the edit widget to play around to make this very specific for the type of property that you are searching for, or the types of property that you list. Use the edit widget icon to update your information. 3, 2, 1. Use the edit widget. Use the edit widget feature to update your criteria to make your results match. 3, 2, 1. Use the edit widget feature to 3, 2, 1. Use the edit widget feature to narrow down your search results. Don't forget to set your days back and then refresh to get most. 3, 2, 1. Use the edit widget feature to set your criteria. Remember to set how many days back you'd like to search, and then use the refresh button to refresh your data. This was how to use and adjust your market monitor. For training videos on other topics, please visit us at sdmls.com. Click the Paragon icon in the top left corner and then select Training Videos. This has been Ian, your SDMLS specialist, reminding you to play, pause, and practice.